don't forget to subscribe my channel. So here is our design. We have to change it, make another design here. Let's add a paint with it using there. We will use some designs as well. Add a paint there. We will create a shape with different options. So let's make another design. Use the paint here. So thank you for watching.